The QbCon line of LB Bohle is the ideal starting point for the pharmaceutical industry to enter the world of continuous manufacturing. We at Bohle provide the opportunity to test your formulation on equipment which is suitable for production scale as well as for smaller scale. Continuous direct compression, continuous dry granulation, and continuous wet granulation can be operated fully instrumented and in fluent communication with the process analytical tools which inform you inline about the critical quality attributes of your intermediates and the finished product. All different applicable unit operations can also be tested as single machines to research your formulation and your process in even more detail. Together with our technology partners from Gericke and from Korsch, we form a team of specialists which support you to learn how to set up and how to successfully operate a continuous manufacturing process for your product.